Hey, it's TaxQuips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama hears from Jeff in the TaxQuips Forum, who's becoming an investor. He says, last year I invested $20,000 in a business and $5,000 this year. In return, I have a 25% share of the LLC. I didn't claim any of it on this year's tax return, can I? And how do I claim the investments on next year's 2012 tax return? Also, this year I started my own 100% owned LLC. Well, Jeff, congratulations on making investments and on starting your own business. If you've done your homework, this can be a good way to build up assets and a long-term stream of earnings. But did you really make investments without having a clue about the tax consequences beforehand? When you invest, it would be wise to look at the tax issues as well as the company's potential viability before investing. Unfortunately, I can't answer your questions about how to claim your investments for tax purposes. Why? Because I don't have a clue about how these LLCs are being reported for tax purposes. Read what I'm talking about at bizfilings.com. Without that information, no meaningful answer is possible. But let me give you an overview of what tends to happen with LLCs. First of all, when you make an investment, it's an asset. You don't generally write it off. It just sits in your portfolio, like stocks. Second, if no one makes any decisions about the LLCs, they're going to act like partnerships and you'll get a K-1. Most of the line items on the K-1 will raise or lower your basis, your tax cost of the investment. Or, in the case of your own LLC, it will simply be included in your own tax return on Schedule C. In both of these cases, you will end up reporting your share of the profit and loss and a few other specific attributes on your own tax return. If they make a decision to file as a corporation, you don't report anything, except any dividends or wages they may pay you, and neither of these kind of payments will affect your basis. If they decide to file as an S corporation, you will get a K-1 just like the partnership, and most of the line items on the K-1 will also raise or lower your basis of the investment. Now, these are just broad generalities about LLCs, which can be the most versatile of investments, but the versatility is only valuable if someone takes advantage of the choices and makes the correct choice for both the business and the investors. When no choices are made, things tend to get messed up within a year or so. In fact, I'm in the process of helping a tax professional straighten out something like that right now. Please get better informed and perhaps we can give you more detailed answers. And I do hope all your businesses prosper. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about investments and other tax issues free. Where else? At TaxMama.com.